Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in today's video, we're going to learn how to change your email address in Calilio. Step 1. Prepare your account details. Before contacting support, make sure you have the following information ready: your current email address associated with the account, your new email address you want to update to, and any additional account details that may help verify your identity. Step 2. Contact Calilio support. You can reach the support team in two ways. First is email. Send your request to support@calilio.com or the contact page. Submit a request to Calilio's contact us page. Then there's live chat. You can start conversation with a support representative directly from the Calilio live chat in the website or web app for quicker assistance. Clearly mention that you'd like to update your registered email address and include both your current and new email addresses. Step 3. Complete verification. For security purposes, Calilio may require identity verification before updating your email. Be prepared to provide any requested details promptly. Once verified, the support team will update your email address. You can access this page from the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and follow us for more Calilio content. Thank you for watching.